Dell AIOps is a cloud-based AIOps application that enables simple and proactive monitoring and troubleshooting of your Dell IT infrastructure. In this video, you will learn to access it from the Dell PowerProtect Data Manager UI. On the dashboard, navigate to the top right corner and open the App Launcher. Select Dell AIOps. Once logged in, you see the home screen. Here you find the connectivity overview, which shows the connectivity status of local systems to AIOps. You can see whether the systems are connected or lost their connection. Now, navigate to Monitor, then Infrastructure, and select Data Protection from the drop-down menu. Now you can see all available data protection systems. In this example, we select Dev Backup, which is the PowerProtect Data Manager we were using earlier. Here you can find a summary of the system, an overview of the inventory, and also a compliance report of your managed VMs. Under the Monitor category, you can find even more information on your monitored systems. The Health Issues page displays a comprehensive view of all current health issues across the environment grouped by system. Alerts will show you an overview of all alerts associated with the monitored systems. The filter icon allows the user to filter alerts based on different criteria. To learn more about Dell AIOps and PowerProtect, visit dell.com/AIOps and dell.com/PowerProtect. Thank you for watching.